If you're looking for the best auto, personal, or home loans in the nation, you're in the right place. PenFed offers some of the best rates I've ever seen, and that's why I've been with them for the last year. And if you want to refinance your current home or auto loan, they also have some of the best rates for that too. In this video, I'm going to give you a full review of each of their different loan types and walking you through the process step by step of how to apply. If you want to see more videos on banks, credit cards, and credit unions, make sure you subscribe. So because PenFed is a credit union, they're huge in their relationship with customers. Credit unions are different than banks because credit unions are funded by their customers, while banks are funded by the investor. This is good news because credit unions are going to care more about you. So if you want to get approved for the best loan or interest rate, you're probably going to want to become a member first with them. But you don't need to become a member to apply. It's recommended that you have at least a 680 credit score, and keep in mind that they pull from Experian. So let's talk about their personal loans. There's a $50,000 limit on their personal loans, which is pretty good. And whether you're looking to consolidate debt, improve your home, get better transportation, fix your transportation, or cover unexpected dental, health, or life events, PenFed's going to get you covered. So usually I would never recommend anyone takes out a personal loan because the rates are going to be sky high. Often the appreciation on a personal loan is close to credit card debt, which is too much for me. But you can get a personal loan from PenFed for around 8 APR. Now that's still pretty high, but if you can pay this off quickly, or you have something that comes up as an emergency, this could be helpful for you. And my favorite thing about this is there's no early payoff fee. So let's say you finally go on that skiing trip, but you fall and you break your leg. If you don't have the money insurance to pay for your medical bills, you can take out a small personal loan and then pay it off next time you get paid. PenFed also has a pre-approval system for all of their products, so you can check your rate and apply without affecting your credit score. And if you've been with PenFed for a couple months, they're probably going to send you letters in the mail giving you some offers for some of their loans. So applying for this loan is really easy. You can do it through the website, and stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to show you step by step how to apply. Now, if you have credit card debt, a lot of times it can be higher than 15% interest. So if you want, you can get a personal loan from PenFed for around 8%, pay off that credit card, and then you'll have better credit and a lower interest rate. Their next type of loan they offer is their auto loan. So whether you're buying a brand new car, refinancing an old purchase, or financing a used car, I promise you PenFed's the best place to be. For new cars, their rates are going to be as low as 4.74%. Which is way better than competition. And even if you have the money in the bank, it's still worth financing a car because a lot of high yield saving accounts will give you a better rate than that. You can finance up to $150,000 for a car loan, and they'll also give you 125% financing. You can apply for pre-approval so it won't affect your credit, and they're going to give you a decision almost instantly. So a really cool tool they offer on their website is an estimate of how much your monthly payments are going to be. So all you have to do is put in your purchase price, your down payment, term of loans, interest rate, trade-in value, and amount owed on trade. And then after you hit calculate, it's going to give you your monthly payment and all the information you need to know. There's also a chart on the website giving you all the different rates. They're going to charge you for the different terms and the different kind of car you're buying. So they're going to give you a better rate when you use their service to buy the car. But even if you don't, they still give you really good rates. Now I'll walk you through the process of securing and refinancing your auto loan. So if you look at this chart here, you can see that the rates are pretty good. You're going to get the cheapest rate if your car is new and you're refinancing that, but you also get a pretty good rate if you're refinancing an old car. Now keep in mind that your car has to have under 130,000 miles to refinance it, but it's hard to beat the rate of 6.5%. So here's the process of refinancing. After you click the pre-approval button, you can either log in if you're already a member or just apply if you're not a member. Now you can apply if you're not a member. To accept the loan, I'm pretty sure you have to become a member. So the first step is choosing the loan that you need. So you can either refinance your current loan with another financial institution and then they'll pay it off and take it over and you'll then make payments to PenFed. You can refinance and cash out, so the same thing as the first, except you're going to borrow more than you owe in case you need some money for something else. And you can use that money for anything, kind of like a personal loan, but it's going to come at a lot lower rate than a personal loan. Or you can borrow money against your car if you already own the vehicle. I'm going to be choosing the first option. So the first thing you do is enter in your car. They can either find your vehicle by the license plate in the state, or you can enter in your vehicle's VIN number. So after that, you're going to enter in your vehicle mileage, and then you're going to put some basic information like your employment status, how much income you have, and then any alimony, child support, or separate things that you're paying. You're also going to tell them your monthly rent or mortgage, and add if you're having a co-borrower. So after you input all these, they're going to match you with a loan, and then you can choose to accept and become a member after that. I really like this because you can see what rate you're going to get, and it's not going to affect your credit score because it's just a pre-approval. And they also have a loan calculator if you want to see your payments for the refinancing option. Now let's talk about their home loans. They're really going to work with you a lot on your home loans. You can have really low down payments or even no down payments at all if you want. And a fixed rate as low as 6.5%. So there's 5 different options they're going to give you if you're purchasing a home through them. So the first loan they're going to be able to offer you is their buyer power loan. So the way this is going to work is you're going to get a pre-approval for this loan, and then you're going to be able to walk around with it for the next 60 days. So you'll be able to go around and shop for homes knowing that you have a rate already locked in. So this is going to be good for you. If you want to compete with someone else's offering, you have to act fast, or you want to shop for a house knowing that you already have an offer in place. The next is their VA loan. This is a loan that's backed by the government, and they also offer really competitive rates, and this is going to be the lowest down payment that you'll have to make. The rates are going to start around 6.1%, and this is going to be good for you if you're enlisted or you're in the Army or you're a spouse of someone in the military. The next is a conventional fixed loan. So this is going to be the most common type of loan, and it's going to start around 6.5%. The rate's going to stay the same throughout the whole loan, and this is good if you want the security of a locked-in rate. The fourth is the jumbo loan. This is going to be a loan for people that want to spend a lot of money on a house and have really good credit. It's going to have a pretty low rate starting around 6.3%, and this is going to allow you to buy a bigger and more expensive home. The last is a VHA loan. So this is a loan offered by Federal Housing Administration, and this is going to be targeted to people with higher debt and lower credit score. And the nice thing about this is it comes with a pretty low rate, around 5.875%. So if you're just getting started out or you have a lot of debt, this could be a good one for you. Now, if you're refinancing your home, there's 3 different options that they're going to give you. So the first option is just the simple refinancing. This is going to work the same way refinancing a car would work. So they're just going to pay off your loan, and then you're going to make payments to them instead. This could be a good option for you if interest rates have dropped and you want to refinance. The next is VA Streamline. So this is going to be offered to veterans and military family. So this will probably be the best option for you, and you're going to get the lowest rate if you're in the military. The last is the HELOC method. So if you wanted to use this, you take equity out of your house and get money for it, and then use that money to purchase other real estate or any other large purchases you want to use. They also have a mortgage payment calculator. So all you have to do is put the price of your home, your down payment, loan term, and interest rate, and then you're going to get your monthly payment. Alright, let's now walk you through the process of applying for a home loan. So after we hit the apply button, you're going to be asked if you're a member or you're applying as a guest. I'm already a member, so I'm just going to log in. So the first thing you're going to do is put your name and then your contact details. Now it's going to be hard for me to get through all this without showing you guys all my personal information, but now you can see what it's going to look like inside the application. You're going to put the information of the property, sign the e-consent form, put your income information, list your assets, any other properties you're interested in, and then submit the application. After that, then you're going to get your pre-approval offer. There's a lot of other good things about PenFed, and I made 2 other videos talking about them. Click this video right here to watch my full breakdown of all their credit cards, and let me know what you guys think of PenFed in the comments.